Hello student. Today I'll discuss an important topic of chemical bonding, and that is intermolecular force of attraction. What is intermolecular force of attraction? So I have to write its definition. It is the force of attraction. Force of attraction between two or more covalently bonded chemical. That is the definition of intermolecular force of attraction. That is the force of attraction between two or more covalently bonded chemical species. And when we discuss the intermolecular force of attractions, they are non-chemical bond interaction. Non-chemical bond interaction, this means here there is no sharing of electrons or transfer of electron occur during that interactions. No non-chemical मतलब no sharing of electrons or transfer of electrons occur during interactions. This means when such attraction occurs, there is no such chemical bond is formed. That means when no sharing of electrons, मतलब no covalent bond is formed, no transfer of electrons occur. That means no ionic bond is formed. So this is a non-chemical bond interactions. And another is such intermolecular force of attraction occur when such covalent bonded chemical species are very close to each other, and it is that reason it is called short range force of attractions. Short range when they are very close to each other in the range of nanometers, angstrom, picometers, such force of attraction will occur. Hence, this is short range force of attractions. Now, and discuss their classification. Of intermolecular force of attraction. Classifications. The first one is hydrogen bond. First one is hydrogen bonding. Second one is dipole attraction. Third one is dipole induced dipole attraction. Fourth one is instant dipole induced dipole attractions. And we can discuss another fifth type, that is ion dipole attractions, and another is ion induced dipole attractions. The mostly 6 type of intermolecular force of attractions are there, and here's all such force of attraction from 2 to 6. They are mostly known as van der Waals force. Such types of force of attraction like dipole attractions, dipole induced dipole attraction, instant dipole induced dipoles, ion dipole attraction or ion induced dipole attractions. They are mostly known as van der Waals force of attractions. Now we'll discuss one by one. First we'll discuss hydrogen bonding. Now we'll discuss hydrogen bonding. Hydrogen bonding. So hydrogen bonding definition, it is special type of electrostatic force of attraction between hydrogen atom of one molecule and electronegative atom of other molecules. That is the definition of hydrogen bonding. It is a special type of electrostatic force of attraction between hydrogen atom of one molecule and electronegative atom of other molecules. So this is the definition, and now I have to discuss what type of hydrogen is necessary, what type of electronegative atom is necessary for hydrogen bonding. So I'll discuss condition for hydrogen bonding. Condition. Condition. Condition of hydrogen. The first condition, the hydrogen atom of the molecule should be highly electron deficient, should be highly electron deficient. That means, that is, the hydrogen atom should be bonded to more electronegative atom or group. That means the hydrogen atom or molecule should be highly electron deficient, and for electron deficients, the hydrogen should be bonded to more electron negative atom or group. And such type of molecules is known as hydrogen bond donor. Such type molecules, if the molecule satisfies this condition, this is called hydrogen bond donors. An example, talk about water. Get water. Here, this hydrogen is able to participate in hydrogen bonding because this hydrogen is highly electron deficient because it bonded to more electronegative atom oxygens. Henceforth, it carries sufficient delta plus charge. Hence, this hydrogen is able to participate in hydrogen bonds. Another, we can say ammonia. This hydrogen is bonded to nitrogen atom, the more electronegative atom. Hence, this is high electron deficiency that can also participate in a hydrogen bond. So this is the condition, one condition, and I will discuss the second condition. Next condition, the other molecule should contain highly electronegative atom having at least one lone pair of electrons. The other molecules to contain a highly electronegative atom having at least one lone pair electrons, and this such electronegative atoms should be mostly fluorine, oxygen, nitrogen. The most common electronegative atoms, that is fluorine, oxygen, nitrogen. So that means if this two conditions is satisfied, then hydrogen bonding will occur. Now I will give some example of hydrogen bonding. Example. Example of hydrogen bonding. Let us between water molecules, water. So I have to write one water molecules is contained one pair electrons. This is delta plus, this is delta minus. And another water molecule I am writing here. This is delta plus, and this is delta minus. What happens? First condition, so this water contain a highly electronegative, contain highly electronegative oxygens. For that reason, this hydrogen is highly electron deficient, and this oxygen is a more electronegative atom and containing lone pair electrons. So we can say that the force of attraction between this hydrogen atom and the oxygen atom, and that is the force of attractions, that is known as hydrogen bond. So hydrogen bond is formed between hydrogen atom and the oxygen atom of other molecules. This is hydrogen bond. And another example I can say that let water and acetone. Water and acetone. Now I'll see whether there is hydrogen bonding in between them or not. So I have to write water here. This is delta plus, and I have to write another acetone molecules. This is acetone. Now this hydrogen and this oxygen, this is delta plus and delta minus. So that is a force of attraction. That is electrostatic force of attraction. This is hydrogen bonding. So here this water, the hydrogen of water involved in hydrogen bonding, and here the oxygen atom of acetone involved in hydrogen bonding, and here this water we can call this is hydrogen bond donor. Here oxygen donate its lone pair electron for hydrogen bonding. So this acetone we can call is hydrogen bond acceptors. So this is hydrogen donor and this acetone is hydrogen bond acceptor. Why it is hydrogen donor? Because this donates, this involves hydrogen in hydrogen bonding. This involves its oxygen atom in hydrogen bonding, hence hydrogen bond acceptor, hydrogen bond donors. So that is the example of hydrogen bonding. Now I will discuss their classification of hydrogen bonding. Classifications. Classifications. So mostly hydrogen bonding, we can classify two types. One is intermolecular hydrogen bonding, and another is intramolecular hydrogen bonding. Intermolecular hydrogen bonding and intramolecular hydrogen bonding. Intermolecular hydrogen bonding occur between two same or different molecules. Two same or different molecules. That is, so we can say in between two water molecules. Let this is water, another waters. This is between two same molecules. That is intermolecular. Not other. We can take two different molecules. One, this is water, and we take ammonia. Lone pairs. This is delta plus. Another is a electrostatic force of attraction between this hydrogen and this nitrogen atom. So here two different molecular participate, water and ammonia. Hence this is intermolecular hydrogen bond. Intramolecular hydrogen bond. Intramolecular hydrogen bond is what? That is the hydrogen bond occur in the within the same molecules. Here hydrogen bond occur within the same molecule, within the same molecules. Example, we have to take one example. Let orthosalicylate, these molecules, this is, and it's, this molecule is called orthosalicylate. Orthosalicylate aldehydes. So what happened here? So here the hydrogen bonded to more electron and oxygen, so it is electron deficient, and this oxygen contain more electron and contain lone pairs. So we can see that the force of attraction, that is electrostatic force of attraction between this oxygen and hydrogens. So here the hydrogen bond occur within the same molecules. This is the same molecule, within the same molecules. So the hydrogen bonding occurs. So that is intramolecular hydrogen bonding. So two types of hydrogen bonding, inter and intramolecular hydrogen bonding. This is the classifications. Now we'll discuss application of हाइड्रोजन बॉन्डिंग एप्लीकेशन ऑफ हाइड्रोजन बॉन्डिंग फर्स्ट एप्लीकेशन हम बता सकते हैं दैट इज स्टेट ऑफ मॉलिक्यूल्स स्टेट वी कैन एक्सप्लेन स्टेट ऑफ सब्सटेंस थ्रू हाइड्रोजन बॉन्डिंग लेट अस एग्जांपल वाटर and another H2S. So in nature at room temperature and pressure water exists in liquid state, but the same number H2S, that is a gas. A rhizome is in water, that is hydrogen bonding occurs. Here hydrogen bonding occurs, but in H2S, so no hydrogen bonding. No hydrogen bonding. Because the sulfur has a large size and less electronegativity, hence there is no hydrogen bonding occurs. So because hydrogen bonding is strong force of attractions, henceforth the water, since a strong force of attraction, lot of water molecules are very close to each other, and so water exists in liquid state and H2S exists in gaseous states. Another, we can say HF and HCl. And this HF exists as a liquid, HCl exists as a gas. Because in HF there is hydrogen bond, but here no hydrogen bond. Here the force of attraction is weak van der Waals force of attractions. HF strong force of attraction, since this is liquid and HCl is gas. So we can explain state of molecules by hydrogen bonding. Then another application is solubility. Solubility. Some covalent molecules are soluble in waters and some molecules are not soluble in waters. So remember, the covalent molecules that are able to form intermolecular hydrogen bond with water are soluble with water. Example, we can say methyl alcohol is soluble in water. Methyl alcohol soluble in water, but another member we can say methane is not soluble in water. How can you explain this? Because in methyl alcohols, so by the structure of methyl alcohols, this is methyl alcohols, and another molecule we take water. Here, oxygen, more electron atom, delta negative, and this hydrogen is more electron deficient. So what happen here, when you mix methyl alcohol in water, so there is a hydrogen bond occur, because this hydrogen and this oxygen, there is hydrogen bond, so this is strong force of attraction occur between methyl alcohol and water, so they become very close each other, so they intermix. So for this intermix, due to this hydrogen bonding, so methyl alcohol is soluble in water. So any low molecular mass that able to form hydrogen bond with water is soluble. Solubility. So another application that is we can compare boiling points. Let us we say that water and another member will tell that is methane. The waters have high boiling point. इसका boiling point mostly 100 degree centigrade and methane have very low boiling point. Let this is minus 50 degree centigrade. Water has high boiling point, methane has very low boiling point because in water there is hydrogen bonding. Hydrogen bonding is a strong force of attractions, hence it is not very easy to vaporize water, so it is vaporized at 100 degrees centigrade. So, but in methane, this force of attraction is weak force of attraction, that is van der Waals force of attraction. It is a weak force of attractions, so it can vaporize easily, boil easily in comparison to water. So we can explain the boiling point of compounds by using hydrogen bonding.